Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to Jahaneman, your own channel. A new beginning, a new start, a fresh aspirations and new dreams to come true. We all are here to welcome year 2022. At the same time, we have to look back at 2021 that was full of achievement, full of happenings, and full of joy and prosperity. This program is a special program that is designed just to reflect upon the year and welcome with new resolutions the coming year 2022. Today we have Mrs. Rihanna Abdullah with us, who is a motivational speaker, a trainer, a coach, and above all, a human being who is always cheerful, hopeful, and positive. Hello, Rihanna. I welcome you to my show.
Thank you so much for inviting me, Dr. Halima. I'm so happy to be here.
Thank you very much. And the show is Memories 2021 Meet Aspirations 2022. So first of all, let's know how was 2021 for you?
2021 was really awesome. Start of the year was a little bit slow. I got a little bit distracted and from my goals, I got a little bit challenged, some challenges. But then I decided that no, I want to do something about that and I want to make some changes and I do not want to be in this state. So to get that momentum going, then I started my workshops and we did a youth program. We did quite a few launch. We did a woman entrepreneur program. I started my weekly workshops on mindset, power workshops, and they were really, really impacting the lives of ordinary men and women who were facing some challenges in their life. And once I started doing those workshops, made me realize that once you get into the momentum, you feel that what you're doing is impacting people, and that actually gives you the energy to want to continue to want to do more for the people. And that is amazing, that that the energy, that feeling that you get in your life, that you want to impact more people. And that is how I felt about what I wanted to do.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Rihanna. And the year was awesome. I am very happy to know this. And if you can just show us a few visuals, that's going to be a great treat for the eyes.
Sure. Yes. Just give me a moment. Let me share screen.
Wow, wow, Rihanna. I like the last caption. That was really awesome. Yeah.
Let me pause
20
my screen share just a moment.
top 25 people in 2025.
That is what I am, my future. I'm hoping in 2025, I will be among the 10 top richest people and I'll be the only woman there and only Muslim woman there. So it's going to be really impactful. That is my dream.
Okay, thank you very much. And I always pray, and my wishes are with you. May all your dreams come
Thank
true.
you. Alhamdulillah.
So, Rihanna, so many programs, workshops, youth empowerment, women empowerment, then entrepreneurship. Uh, what is the inspiration behind all these?
Um, my personal journey, where I was about 3 years ago, I was in quite a bad space. And to get out, I needed a coach to help me. And I was attending a lot of programs like, seminars and stuff. They were impacting me, but not at a level, deeper level within myself. And until I found a coach that helped me realize that it's all about mindset. It's not external. External is like you hurt yourself and you're putting a plaster, but the pain is inside. You need to deal with that pain in your body inside you, and it's in your mind, and you can change that just by changing the way you think, the way you analyze things, and the way your perspective will change. And that really impacted me because it changed my life around. After that, I was never the same again. And I realized that a lot of people, they can read thousands of books, they can go to thousands of seminars, but the impact must be at a level, at a cellular level within yourself. And that led me to realize that if I can change at that level, I can help others to do that. And I know how to do it because I've done it myself on myself. And that is really what is impacting me. And I realize a lot of people need this. They really need this to change from within. And my aim in creating all this program was to make it a practical program, that I give them practical tools that even when Rehanna is not around and they're not in my workshop, they can actually use these tools themselves on themselves easily, simply. And that is what my mission is, to be able to empower people by themselves to be able to take charge of their life and self-direct that change within themselves. And that was the initial thought behind all the programs. And then once you start with one program, it's kind of like, oh, I need to do that, oh, I need to do this, and this person needs that. And then different people come, and then you start developing new programs. And that's what kind of got the ball rolling. So yeah.
Thank you, Rehanna, for sharing. And with lots of passion you have shared, that shows that it is really your niche. It was maybe you didn't realize earlier, but now you have realized. And that's why I can see that you are in Singapore, and at this time when I think it's almost 11 o'clock over there, you are.
No, it's past midnight already.
Oh, I'm still so passionate for your mission. That is really great. So, Rihanna, now what is your resolution for 2022?
2022, I want to work on my health because that is something that I have been neglecting quite a lot. Reduce my weight, of course, and get really get. I've started the journey last year for my health, but this year I want to double up and make it even better, and that will give me more, because I realize that I have to have that energy to impact other people. And if I'm not in the good health, I'm not going to be able to have that energy to do the work that I want to do. And I think that is the mission behind my wanting to really work on my health, because I want to impact more people. And I need to be in good shape, top shape, to be able to do that. And so I'm going to work a lot on my health. Of course, still continue with my workshops and my youth programs along the way. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Rihanna. I wish you all the best. And yes, health is wealth. So first of all, we have to take care of our health. And you have made this resolution for this year. I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you very much. And Jahaniman is grateful. And I wish you a happy new year.